Okay, I want to give you a rundown of how to maneuver through Schoology for the remainder of the school year. Um, the first thing you want to do is click on your chemistry course and check the updates. I will post an update pretty much daily, just to say, hey, how we doing? My kids might pop in and say hello, make some cameos. But yeah, just seeing how you guys are doing. Yeah, just to update daily hello. Step two, you want to go back to the folders. Okay, we're currently in Unit 6. We have 2 more units to go. So just a heads up, you probably won't need Unit 5 for the next 2 or 3 weeks, but this is the folder you want to focus on. And then you want to look at the page I posted for the week. Okay, so we're starting week 1, April 7th through the 10th. Click on the page. Now, before I do that, I want to show you that I even label what folder that this is going to go into after Monday or Tuesday. All right, so this will be dragged into Unit 6, and under Unit 6, it will be in the Redox Activity Series folder. All right, clearly our next types of lessons will be double replacement, so you don't need to go to those yet. All you need is focus on Redox for this week. And in the page, I've listed your learning objectives for the entire week. Now, my other courses, I've given the kids a daily regiment of like things they need to do per day with a extensive amount of directions, but you guys are honors chem, and I feel like you are pretty self-sufficient in organizing how you maneuver your work, so I'm going to give you that freedom. So this is more activities for the week. Okay, now pace yourself. If you do this all in one day on a Friday, you may feel like you're stressed out because it's still a lot of work. All right, so I would pace yourself. Treat it like a normal week. All right, Monday, Tuesday, a block day, and a Friday. All right. So each page has, the activities, and in the activities, I give you hyperlinks to where you need to go digitally. Also, you're gonna need your workbook. So if you decided to burn that thing 2 weeks ago, it's no bueno. However, I will provide a digital copy next week that you can copy for yourself and then use it digitally as well. And I also have this cool thing called Doc Hub, which allows you to edit PDFs, and I'll share that with you guys too, so you can use it in case you want to do it digitally instead of writing stuff down. So if you notice, I also list directions that are in bold, right? So you're going to need to check the answer key folders eventually whenever you start doing workbook work, right? So it says here, check your answer key folder in the Redox Activity Series folder. So that means I need to go back to Unit 6, click on Redox, and then answer keys. Right, and I'll list the stuff that I'm asking you to do in the workbook here at the end of the week, or whenever it says to list it, right? And just a heads up, I also put everything that you need for the week in that folder as well. So here's the page one more time, okay, and then here are the links that are in the page just in case, it's not working for you. But anyways, back to the page. Okay. Now, the last thing that you want to focus on is completing whatever exit tickets I've asked you to complete, any Google Forms that may be linked to exit tickets, and of course Flipgrid topics. Okay, please log on to Flipgrid and create an account if you've not done so yet. I've given you the link up here. Now each class has a different code, so this is period 8's code. If you're watching this and you're in period 7, go to period 7's course, and the number here is different than the one is for period 8. But yeah, hopefully it gives you guys a nice little rundown of what I'm asking you to do for each week. This week is kind of experimenting, scientifically, pun intended. Yeah, so email me with any questions. And last but not least, the schedule. So, like, I've had some questions about, hey, I have 2 science courses, or hey, there's many conflicts in this scheduling. These content windows are like time for me to be there for you. So you don't necessarily need to like be in front of a computer being like, I have to go see Hagerman now. Like, it's not that type of like required class time meeting. It's more like, hey, I really have this big question, and I kind of want to meet with other people too and talk about it. So let's Google Meet with Hagerman, right? And these are our 2 windows in science. It's 2 to 3:30 on Mondays, and then 10 to 11:30 on Wednesdays. If you don't want to Google Meet, Flipgrid is also a great option. That's why I like using it, because it's kind of like a meeting, just not in real time. But yeah, whatever you choose, however you would like to meet with me, just let me know. And I'm open those times or anytime, to be frank. I mean, I'll be checking my work every day. So yeah, just let me know. Okay, guys, hopefully that helps you out. Stay healthy and stay safe.